So I want to quickly demo our contract checklist AI wizard that helps lawyers identify questions that need to be asked to help clients prepare their contracts. You'd first begin by identifying what type of contract you look to create. So in this case, it's a supply agreement. And then the tool will prompt you for answers to a number of questions that are related to the type of contract. So in this case, is the buyer and supplier, the industry. And what it'll end up doing is that with the answers you provide, and again, we're not looking for anything that's confidential, really role-based answers that are general answers. And then once you answer the questions in as much detail as you feel comfortable with, what the tool will then do is identify a list of questions that are related to the type of contract. So the product, services, financial terms, risk management, et cetera, et cetera. And the wonderful part about the tool is you can continue building on the prior responses. So in this case, I talked about a supply agreement that is a confidential service agreement. I simply ask a question or build out more. So now let's redo this, but this time with an employment contract. So again, we'll specify the employment contract for a senior executive, and we'll go through this. And as you can see, it'll talk about the contract areas, compensation, roles and responsibilities, IP. And again, we're using this tool not so that it drafts the contract, but it makes sure that you covered all bases when it comes to putting the contract together. And so this is a tool that you could give to your assistant or to your junior lawyers to get the information you need before you draft the contract. So once you provide the answers, I've talked about the visual financial sector. Yes, I've got typos, but as you can see, the typos are ignored. It comes up with this concrete list that I can use as a starting point. Right now, the tool is only available to our thriving legal practice circle members. If that's something you want access to, just comment thriving below, and I'll share with you how you can get access to the tool.